In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear autofill data in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If your browser is suggesting old names, addresses, emails, or other form entries that you no longer want saved, this simple method will help you remove that information and keep your browsing experience clean and up to date. This is especially useful if you share a device, use Edge for work, or just want to clear out outdated saved form data. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots icon, also known as Settings and More. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge keeps many of its privacy and data controls, including the tools for clearing browsing information. Now scroll down until you find the Clear Browsing Data section. Under that section, click Choose What to Clear. A new window will appear with a list of data types you can remove from the browser. At the top, you'll see a time range option. Click that drop-down and set it to All Time. This is important because it ensures you're clearing all saved autofill data, not just data from the last hour or the last day. Next, look through the list of checkboxes and find autofill form data. Make sure that box is checked. This is the setting that clears saved form entries like names, addresses, phone numbers, emails, and other information Microsoft Edge may have stored to help fill out forms faster. If you only want to remove autofill data, you can leave the other boxes unchecked. Once everything is set correctly, click Clear. Microsoft Edge will now remove the selected autofill form data from your browser. After a moment, the process will finish and your saved form suggestions should be cleared. If you go back to a website and start typing into a form field, you should notice that old autofill entries no longer appear. That's it. You've successfully cleared autofill data in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you want better privacy, fewer outdated suggestions, or a cleaner browser experience. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.